In a misty coastal valley, a young climber tests balance on a mossy ledge, discovering patience is as essential as grip. A kayak slips through bioluminescent bays at night, where every paddle stroke reflects stars and the water whispers of currents. High above, a baseline technician surveys wind ribbons that carve the sky, teaching him to read weather like a map. On a sandy dune, a dune boarder carves curves, turning grit into art while fog swirls around silent wind turbines. By sunset, the group shares stories of resilience, proving nature's playground rewards curiosity, preparation, and responsible thrills.